Siam sin hay class video N2 te teng na be kun sibai. Hay video class 12 mathematics topic determinant to kisai and khom ding hi. Determinant ichi changina matrix khatang pi tale why matrix sunga number teng na solve changina number dang khat unique number khat namudinga why number pen kha determinant kichi hi denote na dingina det of a or modulus of a or delta aite a problem to kitonina alim tang pen sakthi ahi matrix again changina order tom thia 1 by 1 1 by 2 and so on himale determinant ichi changina square matrix a chau ki jong the ahi chi cham te non dinga ahi le determinant of 1 by 1 matrix chu solve ngai tuan loina y element pen ma hi mai ding hi 2 by 2 hi changina bangchina jong dia le hey matrix ki pya hi tale hey determinant ding jon changina ichina element te ki cross multiply mai hi why zo a result na mo ti kha na subtract ding ahi matrix to ikidil changina matrix multiplication banga I multiply khit changina why a result mo ti kha ki 8 ahi male hai determinant hi changina a result te ki subtract ahi chi matrix to operation thila ithei ka kal lo ding poimo ding ahi hai ama sa pen en leuchin matrix ahi hai second pen determinant matrix again changina hai square matrix je ki le hai parenthesis bracket di chi zel pen ki jang ahi determinant hi changina hai straight line te ki jang ahi matrix ichi changin number arrangement ahi determinant ichi changina unique number khat value khat hitai manina aki lamdan naw ki gamlama ma hi why to kitonina annotation ale izat khel loading poimo hi minors annotation mij hi matrix khat na gen le why sunga element ting aij china ki gen thea why ahi le ayat row to jet column pen na gen na hi hey matrix khat na choose le why sunga element ting ina minor nei ding wa hi remark number 1 the minor of an element of a square matrix is defined for all elements so again hit pen set here a11 a12 a13 and so on nani ima bangina m11 m12 m13 and so on why tile omvek ding hi chile bang che hai minor te jong khiding chile by taking the determinant of the submatrix of order n by 1 deleting the ith row and jth column aite exercise to pangkhomina and to ding hi question number 1 matrix a gi pai tale then what is m11 m11 is remark number 2 then I mo taksama bangina deleting the ith row and jth column chile m11 na zonu le you are to delete row 1 and then column 1 hai na delete hit changa determinant omlai pen solve di ahi hai bang m11 row 1 to column 1 ka delete le I am left with 5 hai ka minor of 11 m12 hi le first row to second column delete leng I am left with -1 hai pen ka minor of element a12 hai ka minor of element a21 hi chile chu second row to first column delete le chin second row to first column na delete le 2 omlai hai pen hi 2 le to ma bangina second row second column na delete le 1 omlai hai pen hi minor chi te hoida na som ding hi tu na matrix alian je de choose le question number 2 matrix b m11 chi changina bangai dia le m11 means deleting the ith row and jth column m11 first row to first column ka delete le hai determinant omta hai determinant bangcha ki solve pai chi le 2 by 2 matrix itai manina cross multiplying the elements and then subtracting them. 4 into 1 minus 2 into minus 6. Hay tigel result na subtract le minus 8 mo. Hay pen ka M11. Here M11 is minor of element A11. Chile hay element dang ting in le minor ne di here A12 A13 apana A33 tan zong khevek thi nei ta. Hay lekan gela determinant of 2 by 2 submatrix obtained by leaving first row and first column. M11 is we are leaving out first row and first column. Then we are left with 4 minus 6 minus 2 and 1. Hay ka submatrix ita. And then the matrix is now 2 by 2. Original matrix ka 3 by 3. Then our remark n minus 1 is pen. N minus 1 in this case is now 3 minus 1, which is 2. 2 by 2 submatrix. So I'm open ahi. Aban n zomole. M12 first row to second column delete non lechin. First row is hiding here. Second column is hiding. Hiding delete non lechin bang bangum. 2 minus 6 0 and 1. 2 minus 6 0 and 1. Hay bang chi solve non is le cross multiplying, subtracting with the other 0 and minus 6. Answer minus answer ka 2. Ay mabangina M13 apan M33 tan adang tian na zong khelew china. Abana cofactor. Hay te dinon na di na Cij or Aij izanga. Hay mo na Cij ang di kahi. Publication book dang khen khata Aij ki jang zomai the. Cofactor of an element is obtained by assigning proper sign. Proper sign to what? Its minor. So minor zomdidan theta here. Hey minor pena hey sign positive or negative na piak chang hoy pen kha cofactor ang swak himaya hi. Chile hoy sign proper sign chi pen bang cha assign di chile raising minus 1 to the power of the sum of the indices. Hey I to z pen kha minus 1 power ina koi lechin hoy pen in khana sign di impede hi example ni. Find the cofactors of the matrix B as given there. C11 is only C11 is le minus 1 ay 1 plus 1 pen ko yakilai chi le ya index pen apa na hiya. C11 ay minus assign pen na assign kitchan na hi diom lai chu bang. Find Mij M11 ita mo hay kisa M11 bang M11 denai to ki bang hiya first row to first column delete lechin 4 minus 6 minus 2 1 hay pen kha denadan maina cross multiply la solve lechin hay sungtinga minus 8 na modia hay zo hay minus 1 na square le plus 1 swakta. So you have minus 8 as C11. C12 to adan minus on kenon dit le C12 chi le minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 2 hay apanina. C12 first row to second column na delete le bangting na motale 2 minus 6 0 and 1 hay tingom lai hay pen solve non le china dena hi dan maina 2 into 1 minus by formula 0 and minus 6. The answer of this is 2. Mole hay sungting na solve le 2. Chile hay pen answer cofactor hinai lo. You have to assign a proper sign to this one by solving this. Minus 1 to the power 3 bang. Minus 1 thumbe multiply china yama. Hay tigel kha plus. Plus into minus is minus. Hay seka C12 pen kha minus 2 idi. Le hay mona M12 na zon le M12 is 2. Akibat lo na achiang dia ma. Minor hoy submatrix hay na solve pen minor himay inchin le hay submatrix sign proper sign khat nom piak chang ina hoy pen kha cofactor ang swak ahi. chima bangina e cofactor dangting zong leo chin determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix 2 by 2 izota a zat le jang hinta tuna 3 by 3 ta le bangchinai solve dia le yeah a first pen and leo chin on expanding along first row or second row third row ai te di kong khebeka na urle you can expand along first column also second also third also ai u namun muna expand thi hi chi le wa expansion pen bang chi bol ding first row chi chana hi hi a11 with its cofactor 12 with its cofactor 13 with its cofactor ai ma bangina second row na hi le hai ma hi ma third row na hi le hai ma a number te to a cofactor te associate chat in la y ting 8 le china y pin kha determinant of that given matrix hi hi determinant of that given matrix hi tuna hai if you want to expand along c11 expand di tale chin bang c11 element te hai ting hi a11 c11 next a21 c21 also a31 c31 hai pen le determinant of this matrix a ive hai expand le chin bang a11 c11 chi kha -1 to the power 1 plus 1 a11 na remove le hai ting remove le chin hai ting lai you have to solve this one a12 a13 also c12 le c13 te le toy zon dan to ki bang hi hai simplify lai le chin hai dan modi hai ka determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix zon di dan hi hai example is solve ole begin I can get here I am expanding along first row expand som ka hi chile chu dena I formula pen a11 c11 12 c12 13 c13 zat di mai hi a11 chi china element in the first row first column hai -1 also c11 bang c11 hai izong kia dena hi dan te ma ki zuye hi c12 le to dan maina c13 le to dan maina now applying substituting the values here a11 -1 also c11 -6 a12 a12 element in the first row second column china hai pen 5 also c12 ka 4 a13 hai pen ka element in the first row third column hai pen le hai also c13 chi ka to hi tungai solve -10 I think na solve le 6 that means the determinant of this matrix A is 6 hi try finding the determinant by expanding along any row or column along c1 expand di tale chin bangchin na solve dale a11 c11 plus a hai expand dia mo a11 hai pen a21 hai a31 so a21 c21 a31 c31 hai solve le chin le 6 ma mo di adang te solve le chin le if you expand along any row or column 6 mo be di ma because you are still finding determinant of the same matrix ayin sin a determinant chu kibang vek gi ge di ai ka determinant na solve di phot chang ananga dia nom pen chu 0 om tamna mon choose le chin ma sangna dia hai te 0 banga nai tale c11 expand le chin hai 0 din chin c21 solve mai lo di ma a31 le 0 din chin c31 solve mai lo di you have to find only a11 and c11 ai dana 0 tamna row ai ke le tamna column pen zang le china determinant zon na dia nanga dia bai lam pen dia hi ya conventional lo zo de wina asol di dan Sarah's method ki chi ama hoi bang cha hi ding chi le hey matrix ang gipiak le a determinant na zon na di na hey element ting ting a hi bang bang en gel khen la hoi zo chang ina hey first column to second column gel be mo a hi bang bang na gel be phi le chin hoi zo chang ana hi di chu bang take all the elements starting from left top hey align te zui na a number te chin la khom le chin 1 minus 1 into 3 into minus 2 plus 5 into 0 into 4 2 into 2 into 1 hay lama ting ting group khata ko ikhom minus by formula wai zo changina left right top panina le ki ina a number ting la non le chin banga le ni 2 3 4 minus 1 0 1 5 2 minus 2 hay ting solve le china a matrix ki bangma kon solve pe hi you are still getting the same value which is 6 ma dena pena le 6 ma to le 6 ma singular matrix is chang ina banga a matrix whose determinant is 0 is called a singular matrix otherwise if it is non-zero then it is non-singular hey exercise and only find the value of x for which the matrix is singular hey matrix singular hi na nga chu determinant 0 hi di chile determinant 0 hi na dina solve le china determinant is hey cross multiply mo 3x minus by formula 6 2 or 12 with this sign minus 12 hey solve le chin x minus 4 tuna ha x minus 4 ko le chin minus 4 2 minus 6 and 3 hey solve le china 4 3 minus 12 minus by formula 6 2 are minus 12 minus 12 plus 12 hey 0 ita that means hey matrix pen ka it will be singular when this x is minus 4 he is also property it ending the value of a determinant remains unchanged if all its rows and columns are interchanged matrix khat ki pi tale why determinant na zon na ding ina matrix khatun ki pi hi tale why matrix determinant pen a transpose la le china a determinant pen a value ki hek ton lo di interchanging rows and columns means taking transpose to ki bang mole because first row now becomes first column second row now becomes second column third row now becomes third column let's say hai pen ka transpose to ki bang why na transpose le hai determinant to the transpose pen determinant akilam dan nam ton lo di because you are working on the same numbers to find the result arrangement penang tuam mai chi thua hi delta 1 delta 2 hele amuna thi tuang ma hi le matrix a hi chang ina a to a transpose ki banglo hele le determinant ai cha kha a transpose to a determinant ki bang ve hai pen khai thi vai lo ding hi number 2 there is a change of sign if any two rows or columns are interchanged hi le zat atwa ma thi hi original hai en le china b to c hai column tigel king khek to changina beh second column pen ka third column on sakta cfi third column pen ka second column on sakta in that case there will be a change of sign hai chamte nyo here I am interchanging c2 and c3 ai ma bangina na u to r1 to r3 now khek to le chin le there will still be a change of sign lele thi to ka hi le hemuna if you perform r1 interchange with r2 minus sign khat pot din chin hoi zo hai determinant ma r2 interchange with r3 hi non le china minus sign dang pot non din chin resultant matrix a resultant determinant bangma change som ton lo to ki bang dima hilele a determinant bel asunga elements tia ki hek na omdi ahi Point number 3. If any two rows or columns are proportional or identical, determinant is 0. Haya and leochin hay to ay kibang mo. Then the determinant reduces to 0. Hay pinfa they are exactly the same. To hay and leochina row 1 to row 3 compare leochin. Row 3 is 2 times row 1. Hay tigal ki proportionate in on mo. Hay zaka hay pin le. A determinant 0 hai di bang zakini chile hai pheya kha 2 common la thei china 2 common la le chin hai te 1 5 3 so din chin hai 2 pe na pa koi the ma then r1 and r3 will then be the same hai ti gel ki bang hile hai case to ki bang non so it will still reduce to 0 hai kon gel khak ten le china c2 to c3 ki kim hai r1 to r3 ki proportionate hai. Let A be a square matrix if B is obtained by multiplying each element of A by a scalar k. Then determinant of B is k times A. Hey, na illustrate all there. Hey, matrix A and KPI, hey dan kipetale. Matrix B, hey dan hitale. Mga kibalok na. First row ting ting ka B a pin k a ki multiply mo. Then B is the same as k times determinant of A. Hey matrix hey tigel matrix here hey tigel determinant thì vậy lộ điều ai hey k ting ting kha common la kya thì apwa koi thì hey ama sapian to lai ting kha hey to kibang which is determinant of the matrix A. Chili hey property in again no pen chu bang. Determinant na zon di chang ina row along one row or along any column if there is something common mai pen kha a determinant po ko thi chi na hi corollary to property upon ai la kya thi banga I chi le ya matrix A hai da nang ki pai thale if you multiply A by the scalar k ya k in ka hai sunga ting ting multiply ta di chi na hi ya amma. Now, if you take this determinant, Ka, hai determinant la tale china, to bang swag di chi le, hai pheya ki common om pe kahiya, ki khat ki lakhya, hai pheya common khatom ki lakhinon, hai pheya le common khatom ki lakhinon. Hai ting ting apan lakhya thi, so you will have K to the power 3 times the original matrix determinant. K3 times determinant of A. Haya K1 pen ka first row or first column apan lakhya the a second pen le second row or second column apan third pen ka third row or third column apan ki lakhya ahi hey to property pen zui na hi thi diam le hey property hai tak cham te som nya poimu ma hi objective questions ko nga kha common sin ahi determinant of A is given to be 4 order is given to be 3 haya n pen kha bangai chi le order of the given matrix. So hey, order of the given matrix is 3. That means n is 3. Determinant of A is given to be 4. Ka is 108. K determinant of Ka ka by property bangai tadiale. K to the power n times determinant of A. So hey, A k sa hey example la n 3 ta. This is A. Hey bangai chi le it is equal to 108. Hey solve leuchin K to the power 3 times determinant of A is 4. 108. 4 into 27 is 108. 27 is the same as 3 cube. So let's show K cube is 3 cube here. Hey law of exponent jang leuchina K is now 3. Hey then a value of K is an Abana, every element of a row or column is expressed as sum of two elements. How can you simplify this one? Hey, again set pen ka. Hey, column C1 it is expressed as sum of two quantities. Hey, then determinant na solution of zog na dehile. Hey, then simplify the. Why chubang? hey a first component ting a first determinant ang so kin chin a second component a ting kha second determinant a dia first column ang so hey dana simplify thi ahi area of a triangle is given by this determinant hey x1 y1 chi te kha hey vertex apan kila hia x2 y2 x3 y3 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 hai te hey determinant sunga lemin la hey solve le china oina result pen kha it will be area of this triangle collinearity of 3 points when can we say 3 points are collinear collinear chi china they are lying along the same line chile dina triangle en zol le hey triangle kha point thumma hiya hey triangle area pen kha hey determinant hita mo hey le hey point pen kha hey line a suk sak le china now this becomes one line hey line a dia chu a area son thi ton lo mo that means this triangle is now compressed down to 0 units determinant will now be 0 or same as saying area is 0 when area is 0 area is given by this so high determinant equal to 0 ahi le we can say the 3 points are collinear hele problem solve na dia zatman phat the ma hi ai cham te non ding adjoint of a matrix to gisai yen kom ding annotation ding in short we are using adj thitwak khana adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix is obtained by interchanging the diagonal elements and changing the sign of diagonal elements hey illustration and legend matrix yang ki pya hi le adjoint of a na jonna ding na hai zule china interchanging the diagonal elements hai a to d hi ya hetigal interchange am now ki hek mo hai ya and then of diagonal element ji chang na hai diagonal lo lampang na le lag le china hai pen of diagonal hi ya b to c pen kha hek to alo ding himale assign plus apan minus a hek di minus om sa le la plus a hek di chile oya new determinant namu pen kha adjoint of a ding ahi number 2 na adjoint of 3 by 3 matrix is obtained by forming ai enleu china matrix of its cofactors then Cij is on te kha ai given matrix a dia kha jong khevek ding oina son kya khit chang a kha you will transpose this matrix ai transpose le china oina matrix athak namu khyak pen kha adjoint of that given matrix and so being here ai no le remark number 1 zuile chin adjoint of this is a 2 by 2 matrix chile haitigel interchange le chin 4 to 1 also of diagonal elements haitigel here haiti banglo ding chile you will change their sign minus pen plus swakta plus pen ka minus swakta then you are done this is adjoint of this given matrix number 2 na hai zong ole then a note remark en thak non le we will find the matrix of its cofactor ting ting zong kheding why ti kha matrix khat sunga koi di why izo changa kha we will transpose that given matrix then that matrix will now become the adjoint C11 then C11 hedana some kya thi here minus 1 raised to the power sum of the indices 1 and 1 why so we are removing first row and first column chile hai tingam lai 1 5 2 1 hai ti solve non le chin 1 1 is 1 minus by formula 2 into 5 minus 9 hai a sign pen minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 is 2 hai pen plus ita chile hai bang ma su boy khatwan lo ai to ki bangina c12 jong suk non in la c13 2122 te china direct in bangel kya ana verify le china ahi le hai pen kha matrix original hi a hai te entries number te hita hey number te kha tuna a cofactor yu mukheta a adjoint zongu ti hi le hey cofactor ting matrix khati so angai hey danina matrix khatchungai ko dia why izo changina transpose length why pen ka adjoint so bi hi tuna c11 upon c33 tani mukheta substitute length we get minus 9 up to 2 all these elements to hi idiom lai transpose this hey pen ka adjoint of the matrix A hi hey tigel no try din property poimo bangje ma ma e ai sa le hey lo le bangje mum lai da le ve ka gel ke so lo hi properties A adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A times in hey in kun chia A pen ka 3 by 3 ki pyak le in will be I3 A pen 2 by 2 ki pyak le I kha I2 mai di ahia a question a ki mention ton ki le hey identity matrix pen in ka it will simply take the size of the matrices which they are associated with problem khatsunga matrix size ki pesa pen size ka hey identity matrix pen identity matrix tena y size ma lamai dio hi hey adjoint of AB is adjoint of B adjoint of A hele amin chatin ki pe ki ma le reversal law chi dan na thi thodin icham te nam na dina transpose hi line AB transpose is B transpose A transpose ichia hele a matrix te ki reverse ma hey mun ale adjoint te ki reverse wa hi bangziakin adjoint of A B is not equal to adjoint of A adjoint of B in general hey ka ki kim gi ge lo di aziak hey matrix khat in chin hele matrix khat hey le hey pen kha P Q hitale PQ P into Q is to Q into P hey pen le matrix property since it is not commutative hey ti gel le ki kim gi ge lo di hey zeka adjoint of AB is adjoint of B into adjoint of A hey adang problem adang property te le gen tam lot yom tuan ki icham te ding a poimo pe na hi problem solve na ding ina e phatwa ma hi adia kina objective type questions ko nga he ti pan sana question ki dong je la hi e the som le ma inverse of a matrix of a matrix A is denoted by A inverse ai chu notation dangom tuan ki A inverse kisang ahia formula hey determinant of A zon dan theta adjoint of A zon dan theta hele hai bangchinai sang dia le now let's find the inverse of this given matrix A apoimo bang determinant of A zon ngai dia adjoint of A is on ngai di hey formula ho zo chang le A inverse ki mo thei di mo ale upon the ding ina determinant of A zong ni determinant of A is hey bang minus 1 1 to 2 minus 1 1 to 2 expanding along C along R1 hai pen ka determinant of A11 C11 A12 C12 A13 C13 expanding along first row ile A11 ka minus 1 here C11 zong khileu china ai didan na thi ta ko kalamena ai so A12 C12 A13 C13 then the result is minus 1 ai so ta ma now let's find adjoint of A adjoint of matrix ma here obtained by finding out the cofactors forming a matrix using those cofactors and then taking the transpose of that matrix I think na so changena adjoint of matrix A mukhe thei di ai an khenyo le adjoint of A is C1112 up to C33 transposed C11 hai cofactors te is on theta kalamena direct ina he kon kela ana try yun la hey a value te verify leo chin now we transpose this and get this one, which is now the adjoint of A. Then A inverse is 1 by a formula jang tale determinant of A minus 1 here adjoint of A hai matrix chile hai value na scalar multiplication of this one gives you the final inverse of the given matrix. So hey matrix pen to hey original matrix pen multiply leo china A into A inverse, you will get I, or precisely I3. Why ka property poimo here hai enkomle. Some important properties. A inverse is In equal to A inverse A. It's a commutative gel ma ali lam to ka dictate hi. Also In is identity matrix of order n. A order n kun chia matrix A pen order n hi le I pen le order n hi ma 3 by 3. If A is of order 2, then I also will be of order 2. I take kizui to mai de hi. Aya dina again sa adjoin ale. Amin chetin ki piki ma le reversal law dan ma hi a matrix B A to B ki pia original a ai pen ka result a they are reversed again. A inverse B inverse ji to ki bang lo hi. Ai te thi to ka hi. A inverse is A transpose le A ma. Double application ka it always comes back to the original. AB is equal to In is equal to BA, then A is the inverse of B or vice versa. Hey property one to compare le china. Hey A inverse pen ka to B ang ki get mai here ma. A inverse pen ka B. Then you can say B is the inverse of A. Next, if A is 0, A inverse does not exist. Bangzia kini chile, hey formula A inverse is 1 by determinant of A adjoint of A. Hey pen thina is zen lowina. Hey pen 0 hitale, it will be 1 by 0, which is undefined ma. So if determinant of A is 0, A inverse does not exist. Determinant of A0 means, in other words, the matrix A is the definition A is singular china. AI is equal to A, N is equal to IA also. Aziak I ka identity element ai zakina. Aya original element pen kasubai kalo hi. Hey, thi tuang ma. A matrix A is invertible if and only if it is non-singular. Determinant of A ka non-zero hi di. Hey 0 ichanga ka hey quantity undefined ai zaka inverse ki jong thi lo di. Why dia ka inverse na zon le hai pen determinant of A ka non-zero hi di. Non-zero means the matrix A is non-singular. Yai matrix le determinant concept te real life a bangchina ki jang thiyam chi hai problem te pansanina yan kom ding amasaina simultaneous equations ini chang ina why pen bangsidana matrix equation a convert hi ding ahiam chi yan kom masadinga hey a11 a12 a13 chi te constant khat pe po hi ta et sakna ding ina 2x plus 3y plus z equal to 5 chi bang hitale hey pen ka a11 a12 hey 1 pen ka a13 hoi to ki bang hiya a11 a12 a13 chi te number hiya xyz te ka unknowns or variables hiya b1 b2 b3 te le hey te le a constant number ma hi hey dana system khatna ni le it is equivalent to writing it down this way in matrix form. Bangzia kini chile hey matrix multiplication solve le china hey ma monon di ma a11 into x plus a12 into y plus a13 into z hey ka first equation ai dinga also a21 22 23 to hey multiply non le chin second equation and so on for the third also. While we can represent this system of equation by the matrix equation ax equal to b, where a is constant number ting ting. Also capital X ka variable na introduce na zap ting ting idea. B pen ka right hand side a constant number ting ting hinon de here. Yeah, a first matrix pen oi pen ka coefficient matrix kichi. Also variable pansana matrix na bol ka pen ka variable matrix ai mai a. Also right hand side a constant number ting ting. Matrix kata na koi khom che na hoi pen ka constant matrix hinon ai. Hey, problem ye no le. How do we convert this type of problems to matrix equations and solve them using that same concept? Let the word money for the values of honesty, regularity, and hard work be rupees X, Y, and Z respectively. Equation similar china here alas lamana itule find the word money for each value. Here a value kigente here honesty, regularity, and hard work. Here dia ka award money ki pedi hang here why dia ka honesty dia X, regularity dia Y, hard work dia Z. Now the system of equations is here first equation, first sentence similar china. The school will award total cash award of rupees 6,000. Hey ting ting bang ki sang ding chi le award ki sang ding here. Hoi award te bang area bang value te ki pedi chi le honesty to regularity to hard work te pansana ki pedi. Chi le hey three areas hey three values te a asum ki pedi sa te lowi manina X Y Z ichita. Chile hai X Y Z ting ki gom khuma sum sen dia ki koi khia a budget kha sangu ka hi. Chile chu X plus Y plus Z will be 6,000. Anona a sentence aban simile china 3 times the award money for hard work. Hard work adia award money na ben pen bang Z hita. Then 3 times Z added to that given for honesty. Honesty adia nalak a variable pen ka X ma. X amounts to rupees 11,000. Hai pen hai hichidan kan gel khata ka. Hai mona Y tel khalo hi manina 0 into Y is still 0. No harm done. Hai to ki bang ve lai. A next sentence sim jom leo china. The word money given for honesty and hard work together. Honesty adia X na chia. Also hard work adia ka Z. Is double that of regularity. Next equation and leo china. Honesty to hard work adia money value te ka it is 2 times or double that of regularity. Regularity adia na assign variable pen ka Y. So it is equal to 2Y. Rearrange non le china X minus 2Y plus Z equal to 0 bang je ka hai dana arrangement bo thak hi ami chi le dena system abul tunga again danina heya X Y Z to kithwa number ting ting kha coefficient ai jakina X Y Z ting tinga coefficient ting ting poimoi jakina hai dana ki arrange thak hi chile a coefficient ting ting le 111 103 1 minus 2 1 hai ting ting ka coefficient matrix hai amasa here also a variable introduced ting ting X to Y to Z here right hand side a constant number ting hai. Now this is the matrix equation. Matrix equation pen ka bangchinai solve dia le. That is AX equal to B. Now ison kya good pen ka X Y Z. These are the amount that you want to find out. You have to isolate X. Isolating X means transferring A to this side, which now becomes A inverse. So A inverse jong khedi. Ale formula iti isa pen ma isang non dinga. Yeah, determinant of A na zon le it is non-zero. Therefore, this A inverse can exist. Means you can find out A inverse. Adjoint of A hedan in azon khya formula zangina. A inverse is now this matrix. Here 1 by 6 pen scalar multiplier here asunga laglu the lele here ki zonai lo a problem ki zonai lo A inverse B zong lai ding hi manina he la lut masak pen phatwan pen lo ma he ya constant to na multiply so changena zangpan le china so from 1 he zang tadinga x equal to a inverse b a inverse ka he ya ma b ka right hand side he tigel multiply le chin xyz is now 1 by 6 times this matrix he bangchidana ki muthi chile he tigel multiply here a first matrix na le 3 by 3 a second matrix na le 3 rows 1 column he tigel ki bang mo so you can multiply them and the resultant matrix is a 3 by 1 matrix 3 rows and 1 columns this is 3 by 1 matrix to now y1 by 6 la lut le china simplifies as this. Therefore, award money for honesty, which is X, is 500, regularity is 2000, hard work is 3500. It's done na. Hey, what problem te matrix equation zangena solve the hi. Hey, problem na inun la. Tua problem hi sa dan mai na. Hey, simple china. Hey, mo na nazon kya gut kabang. Using matrix method. Find the number of students zongke udita mo then how will you start answer ya konpedia number of students zongke ud here student te bangsidana ki group chi le they are grouped into 3 as hard workers so x be the number of students x be the number of hard working students y be the number of a second group teka honest and law abiding third group ka a group thumtinga pi group unchin why group chi a student omza te thilo why pen khang ki dong hi chile how many students were selected in total 10 students a hi le group thuma ki hen naw pang ting ting kha avi kona gom kom cha som pa chi na so following suit you can now frame the system of equations for this problem changena twa ama problem pe ni hidan dan zuina matrix equation zangena xyz te zong khileu china ya value answer ki pe te namuthi ding ka gi ta hi